In this lecture, we will try to understand program of stack. We will write this program using arrays. Yes, this program, even we can write this program with the help of linked list also. Time being, we will try to understand stack program using arrays. In this program, first I will discuss about push operation. In my next lecture, I will discuss other operations. Before discussing the program, we will try to understand definition of stack. What is stack? In introduction classes, we discussed about stack. In those classes, we were saying that stack is a linear data structure. We will try to understand this definition in more precise way. A stack is a linear data structure implemented by a logic known as last in first out, in which elements are inserted or even deleted from only one end, that is known as top, isn't it? We will try to understand all the applications of stack in a separate lecture. Now we will try to understand push operation of stack. How will it be? Just a minute. Let me erase this first. Yes. What it says? Hash define max space 4. What does it mean? Wherever max appears, that will be replaced by 4, isn't it? Int top equal to -1 means top is an integer type variable where we stored -1. Int stack max. Int means data type, stack means array name, max is size. As I told you, we are implementing this stack program with the help of array. What does it mean? What happens internally? Let me visualize this like this. Means, let me say, otherwise, just a minute. Yes, how can I write? Just a minute. What is int stack max? What is my max value? 4. Array size is 4. 4 means here what is the value of top? Top equal to -1. Stack of 4 means internally this is stack of 0. This is stack of 1. This is stack of 2. This is stack of 3. 4 means 0 to 3, isn't it? Yes. Void main, which indicates beginning of your C program, which indicates open floor bracket, which indicates beginning of your main function. Int choice is an integer type variable, while 1, it's an infinite loop. As usual, this is menu driven program. 1.push, 2.pop, 3.display, 4.quit, enter your choice, isn't it? Let me say first, I entered number 1. If I enter number 1, what does it mean? I am interested in pushing an element. What is pushing? Pushing means inserting an element into the stack. First, let me insert few elements in the stack. Therefore, I entered number 1. This number 1 will get stored in the place of choice. Switch choice means what? Switch choice means switch 1. Switch 1 means what? Case 1. Push. Is it not? It's a function call or calling function. What happens? Therefore, automatically control will transfer. Where will it transfer? In this one. Let me write it again. How can I say? Just a minute. Let me draw it otherwise. Yes. What we were saying, internally a stack will be created with the int stack of max. Stack of max means, earlier we were saying like this, int stack of max means, what is this? This one is stack of 0, isn't it? Stack of 0, stack of 1, stack of 2, stack of 2 as its size 4, 0 to 3, stack of 0, stack of 1, stack of 2, stack of 3. What is my top value? Top equal to -1, isn't it? Void push. Again, this is function definition into pushed underscore item. If top equal to max minus 1. Our max value is 4. 4 minus 1, 3. What is my top value? Minus 1 equal to what is my top value? Top is minus 1 equal max is 4. 4 minus 1, 3. Minus 1 equal to 3. Is it true? It's not true. In such case, you will enter inside else. Enter the item to be pushed in the stack. After displaying this message, let me say I entered number 10. That number 10 will get stored in the place of pushed underscore item. Top equal to top plus 1. What does it mean? What does it mean? Top equal top plus 1 means what is our top value? What is our top value? Our top value is minus 1. Now, top value is minus 1. Top equal top plus 1. What does it mean? Early previous value of top is minus 1. Therefore, top equal to this code. Top equal to top plus 1. Therefore, previous value of top is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1. This top becomes 0. Stack of top. What is stack of top? Your top value is 0. Stack of top means stack of 0. This one is assignment operator. Right side value will be assigned to left side. Stack of 0 is pushed underscore item. What is our pushed underscore item? 10. That number 10 will get stored here. After executing this code, now where can I go? First let me erase these things. Just a minute. This will not be there. This will not be there. This will not be there. Yes. After executing this particular function, again I will go back. Where will I go back? Let me go back to previous slide. Therefore, again where we are, after executing this push function, control will come here and this break will get executed. Because of this break will get execute. Break, where is after this push? There is a break because of push function only where we are here. Because of push function, after executing push, a control will come here, and after this break, this we will come out of switch statement. This is switch beginning. This is switch beginning. This is end of the switch. Now this is end of while. Since it's infinite while loop, again we will go back to the while loop beginning. While 1 means it's an infinite while loop. We will enter inside again 1 dot push, 2 dot pop, 3 dot display, 4 dot quit. Enter your choice. As usual, let me say I entered again number 1, as I am interested in pushing a number. If I enter number 1, that number 1 again will get stored in the place of choice. Switch choice means switch 1. Switch 1 means case 1. Case 1 is push. This is function call or calling function. Automatically control will transfer to the definition of this function. Void push int pushed underscore item. Int pushed underscore item. Just a minute. Yes. Int pushed underscore item. If top equal to max minus 1. What is my top value? 0. What is my max value? Max is 4. 0 equal to 4 minus 1, 3. 0 equal to 3. It's false. Therefore, where will you go? We will enter inside else. Enter the item to be pushed in the stack. Let me say I entered number 20. That number 20 will get stored in the place of pushed underscore item. Top equal to top plus 1. Previous value of top is 0. Now top equal to top plus 1 means 0 plus 1, 1. Therefore, top becomes 1. This top equal to top plus 1. Therefore, your top becomes 1, isn't it? Yes. Now top is 1. Top equal to top plus 1. Previous value of top is 0. Top equal to top plus 1 means what? This is the code, isn't it? Stack of top. Stack of top means stack of 1. Stack of 1 is pushed underscore item. What is my pushed underscore item? 20. Therefore, stack of 1 is 20, isn't it? After executing this, again, where will I go? I must go back. Where can I go back? Just a minute. As this function definition is executed, again, let me move to the previous slide. What it says. Just see. Now, this particular function is executed because a push is executed. Again, this break will get executed. After break, you will come out of this switch. After switch, end of the while means again you will go back to the while as it's infinite loop. 1 dot push, 2 dot pop, 3 dot display, 4 dot quit. Enter your choice. Let me say I entered again number 1 as I am interested in pushing the numbers. Therefore, if I enter 1, the number 1 will get stored in the place of choice. Switch choice means switch 1. Switch 1 means what? Case 1. Case 1 means what? Push. Push means where can I go? Where will I go? As it is the function definition, I must go to the definition of the function. Let me move to the next slide where I can find definition of this push function, isn't it? Yes, this is push function. Int pushed and score item. It's integer type variable. What is your top value? 1. 1 equal to max minus 1. What is my max value? 4. 4 minus 1, 3. 1 equal to 3. Isn't it? Top equal to 1. We already let me rewrite it again here. What is hash define max space 4, isn't it? What is my max value? 4. 4 minus 1, 3. 1 equal to 3. It's false. If it is false, where will you go? You will enter inside else block. Enter the item to be pushed in the stack. Let me say I enter number 30. That number 30 will get stored in the pushed and score item. Top equal top plus 1. Top equal top plus 1 means what is your top value? 1. Now top becomes 2, isn't it? Therefore top equal to, let me update that value. First let me remove this one. This top is, isn't it? What is top? Top equal to top plus 1 means top equal to 2, isn't it? Yes, top equal to 2. Just a minute. Top equal to 2. Top equal to 2. Stack of top. Stack of top means stack of 2 equal to pushed and score item. What is my pushed and score item? 30. This pushed and score item is 30. That number 30 will get stored in the place of the stack of 2. Here I must write 30, isn't it? End of push. Again, where will you go? I must go back. Where will I go? I must go back to the previous slide where I can, just me choose pen first. I can find this break statement. After this break, you will come out of this particular switch. Again, while 1, as it's infinite loop. Again, let me say I enter number 1. That number 1 will get stored. Enter your choice means choice 1. Switch 1 means case 1. Push, break. Therefore, push means break will not get executed. Push means function call. This function definition, this is the definition of the function. Now what happens? Just see. Int pushed and score item. If top equal to max minus 1. What is my top value? 2. Isn't it? 2 equal to. What is my max value? 4. 4 minus 1. 2 equal to 3. It's false. If it is false, where can I go? I must enter inside else. Enter the element to be pushed in the stack. Previously we pushed 30. Let me say I entered 40. This number 40, where will it get stored? This number 40 will get stored in the place of pushed and score item. Top equal top plus 1. Previous value of top is 2. Now top becomes 3. Stack of top means stack of 3 equal pushed and score item. What is my pushed and score item? 40. Therefore stack of 3 equal to 40. Isn't it? Therefore top becomes 3. Isn't it? This push function is executed. Again I must go back. If I go back, what happens? Again, this break statement will get executed. Because of this break, we will come out of that switch. Again, you will go back while 1 dot push, 2 dot pop, 3 dot display, 4 dot quit. Enter your choice. Let me say I enter number 1. That number 1 will get stored in the place of choice. Choice is 1. Switch choice. Switch 1. Case 1. Push. Push means this is function call or calling function. Again, I must go back to the definition of the function. This is the definition of the function in pushed and score item. If top equal to max minus 1. What is my top value? 3, isn't it? Top is 3. Just a minute. Top is 3. This one is 3. Top equal to 3 equal to max minus 1. Max is 4. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 equal to 3. True. If it is true, this particular statement will get executed. Stack is overflow. Stack overflow means we are interested in pushing an element, but there is no space in the stack. Such situation is known as overflow of the stack. Stack is overflow. In that case, we will not enter inside else, isn't it? If you go back, this break statement will get executed. Because of this break statement, we will come out of switch. Again, where will you go? While 1. Yes, now let me say there are other 2 operations, pop and display. These 2 operations I will discuss in my next lecture. Thank you very much.